New Nigerian People's Party, NNPP. Yeah.
Okay, sir, you contested in the 2023 general election under the New Nigerian People's Party, and today we are in 2025, 2 years prior to the general election again. Now, why are you collapsing your structure for NNPP going to ADC ahead of the election? Tell us why.
Well, in politics, you are not meant to be rigid, you know, and as you all know, politics is about interests. You go to where your interest is secured, you know, and then when the people choose to move in a direction of progress, I don't think you should stay aside and not join such kind of a progressive movement.
Okay, many Nigerians have come out to say those that are flaunting the ADC are aggrieved politicians who are eager to grab power at all costs, just the way it happened in 2015. What do you have to say to this?
Yeah, funny enough, in politics, you move, it's like a wave. That some people are moving because due to their anger. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Because I can assure you that in subsequent election, the people here or people outside the other side trying to criticize these people might also be coordinating another coalition. So you don't expect that politicians should not play their game. They move and they try to secure their position wherever they deem fit. So I don't think such a notion is good enough to castigate the progress of the coalition.
Okay, my final question. Looking at the calibers of people in ADC, no doubt we have a combination of PDP, NNPP, APGA, and many more. Yeah. Looking at what is on ground, do you think they can wrest power from the ruling All Progressive Congress? Looking at the antecedents of the incumbent president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Well, the popular opinion shows that people are ready to take a leap and then secure and probably vote against the current president due to the fact that the crisis of security, hunger, and all of that is beginning to tell on the generality of the people. And I can assure you that they say the voice of the people is also the voice of God. So for me, I believe the next election in 2027 could just go the way of the coalition.
Okay, finally, what advice do you have for Nigerians as the build-up to 2027 gets stronger and messier?
Yeah, my own is that my advice is that in as much as we have decided to move in this direction, we should have a cooperation. There should be cooperation, the unity of purpose for it to succeed. Because if we're going in a different direction in a case like this, we might end up not achieving what we set out to achieve. So my advice is that first and foremost, let there be unity, let there be understanding, and let there be the interest should not jeopardize the progress of the coalition.
Thank you very much, sir.
You are welcome.